the 5 websites which I am going to show you in this video offer the free courses with printable certificates. So if you are here for printable certificates on free online courses, then you should keep watching this video till the end. While you may not know that the Google offers the free online courses on their portal, which is known as the Google Digital Garage, and in that they also not only that they offer the free online courses, but also they offer the printable certificates. As you can see here that you would get a certificate which you can print and you can improve your CV. You can register it for free on the Google. All the courses are free. There are no hidden costs. Right now, as I am not signed in, I can see 156 courses in the categories of digital marketing, career development, and data and technology. They have also put the filters. In some of the cases, the certificates are paid, but you can select the free certificate courses by selecting this filter. You can also filter out the courses based on the difficulty, whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or advanced user. And interestingly, these courses are not only provided from the Google. There are popular sites like Coursera, different universities, the popular online courses websites like Udacity, University of Helsinki, YouTube, and others. And in the more options, you can see that you can also do the live training. They offer you the tools and resources which you would require to employ in those skills which you would learn through these courses. So go and check out the Google Digital Garage. The link would be in the description below. The next one is the LinkedIn Learning. LinkedIn Learning was previously known as lynda.com, and now it is called LinkedIn Learning. There are more than 13,000 courses available on the LinkedIn Learning which you can join. Although, as you can see here, that you have to sign in and buy these courses, but the catch is that if you want to get free courses, start as a free trial. They would give you a 1 month free trial. In that, they do not restrict you to do how many courses you want to do, and they also offer you to get the printable certificates. And once you are done with your course, you can just cancel the trial period. The popular categories of the courses are personal effectiveness, spreadsheets, motion graphics, visual effects, data analysis, job searching, personal branding, and business intelligence. The next website on which you can get more than 1,000 plus free online courses is known as Alison.com, and in this website, unlike the LinkedIn Learning and the other websites which I am mentioning here who create their own courses, Alison is a platform which basically gathers the free online courses that are available on the internet and put them onto their website. The popular categories, as you can see here, includes the business, health, IT, the language related courses, the management, and the sales and marketing. And if you go on to the course types, you would see that there are certain courses which offer you the diploma, and then there are certain courses which will offer you the certificates. You can filter out the courses by these categories, and remember that not all the courses offer the free certificates. So you have to find out the details of those courses which offer the free certificates, just in case you're only interested in getting the printable certificates at the end of your course completion. This website also has the app for the Android and the iOS, so you can continue with your courses on the go. One downside of this website is that all courses are not in the video format. Some of them are in the other format, so this you have to keep in mind. If you are interested in learning the latest tech skills, including the intelligence, programming, data sciences, digital marketing, and the artificial intelligence, then this website with the name of Udacity would be perfect for you. This website offers both the free and paid online courses. You can filter out the free courses from here by selecting the free, and the filters are also available for the topics, the field, the difficulty level, and the duration. At the time of recording of this video, we could find out more than 200 plus free courses on this website. These free online courses do not offer the certificates. Unfortunately, you have to upgrade and buy their nano degree programs, which is starting from $399 a month to get the certificates. The last website which we want to recommend is called Domestika. It is ideal for the creative community or people, and because the courses they offer is in the field of photography, video designing, 3D animation, architecture, web design, calligraphy, and the courses like this one. The courses they offer are very high quality courses. They have the selected few courses. However, if you are a serious learner, then you should sign up for their paid account and get the all these courses from the professionals which are available on this website. While there are many websites on the internet which offer the free online courses along with the printable certificates, however, we have only selected the few one. If you know any of these and if you have an experience of learning from those websites, you can let the others know by commenting below this video. In any case, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.